In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of a rectangle quickly and easily in Photoshop. This is a very simple technique, but it's also one of those essential Photoshop skills that can save you time and make your designs look much more polished. If you're working with shapes for thumbnails, banners, social media graphics, or any kind of layout, knowing how to update a shape color fast is incredibly useful. To begin, go over to the toolbar and select the rectangle tool. You can also press U on your keyboard as a shortcut, which is a nice little time saver once you get used to it. With the rectangle tool active, click and drag anywhere on your canvas to create a rectangle. The size doesn't matter too much here, since the main goal is simply to make a shape that we can recolor. Once your rectangle has been created, move over to the Layers panel and make sure the rectangle shape layer is selected. This part is important because if the wrong layer is active, Photoshop won't apply the color change to the shape you actually want to edit. So take a quick second to confirm that the shape layer is highlighted before moving on. Next, look for the small color thumbnail on that shape layer. This thumbnail shows the current fill color of your rectangle. Double-click on it, and Photoshop will open the color picker window. This is where you can choose the exact color you want for your shape. Inside the color picker, you can click around in the large color box to visually pick a color, which is great if you're experimenting or trying to find something that looks right. If you already know the exact color you need, you can also type in a specific hex, RGB, or HSB value. That's especially helpful if you're matching brand colors or keeping your design consistent. After choosing your new color, click OK. As soon as you do, Photoshop will instantly apply that new color to the rectangle. It's quick, clean, and very easy to adjust. If the color doesn't look quite right, don't worry. Just double-click the color thumbnail again and try another option until you find the one that works best for your design. That flexibility is one of the reasons shape layers are so useful in Photoshop. This is one of the easiest ways to customize shapes and create more colorful, professional-looking projects. Keep practicing simple techniques like this, and over time you'll get faster, more comfortable, and more confident with every edit. Thanks for watching.